Hello, good day to you. Welcome to this week's edition of Weekly Forex Podcast. As usual on this channel, we'll run through 9 charts of Forex pairs and metals today on Saturdays. Then on Sundays, we upload weekly stock market forecast on this channel. And in the timeline of this video down below, there's a timestamp of the asset we'll be running through in this video. So I hope you find this video useful in your own analysis and your trading. And I'll see you on the next one. Also, do remember to hit the like button down below on YouTube. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a nice trading week. See you soon. On euro dollar for this week, we start from the weekly chart, and on the weekly chart, it has started to correct here. After this correction, I expect them to retest this top and potentially drop back down. So we want to watch for the completion of this correction and for this climb. We zoom to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we see they are accumulating. They will continue this accumulation through this week before there was that buy momentum upside. So we want to watch out for that. We zoom to 4-hour time frame on euro dollar. On the 4-hour time frame, I think this is the A, and they are in a form of the B here before they will drop once again for C and then continue back upside. So I want to watch out for this completion of B and a drop for C before they will continue the buy momentum. Zoom to 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, I expect this to drop a bit further down before it will climb back upside to complete this B and then drop for C wave. On pound dollar for this week, pound dollar has started this drop that I expected here. It started this week, and I think when you get to this trend line, they will correct here and then drop further to tag this low. So still watch for some corrections this week and more steps to come through on pound dollar. We zoom to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, since they gave deep pullback, there's still a chance for correction and another deep pullback before they will continue the drop. As I see this potential of a running flat here, so I want to watch out for that. We zoom to 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, they are correcting as of right now, and I think this correction will lead to a pullback upside before they will continue the drop downside. So you want to watch out for this to develop this week on pound dollar. On Aussie dollar for this week, Aussie dollar has gone, it has been in this buy momentum for quite some time, and I'm still looking for a drop. At any moment they should start a drop like this, and that is what I'm looking out for on Aussie dollar for this week. Sell setup, and as present on the 4-hour time frame, they are giving a 4-hour accumulation here, which could mean the drop is about to start. So I want to watch out for sell opportunity on Aussie dollar for this week. For example, 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, this accumulation can continue through Monday. They can continue this accumulation through Monday and then drop by Tuesday. So watch this. I think they will repeat it for another drop. So sales is what I expect this week on Aussie dollar. So you want to look out for them as they develop. Sell setups through this week on Aussie dollar. On New Zealand dollar for this week, New Zealand dollar has gave a flat structure close to this top and gave a retest of the top, and I think they will drop. This accumulation was for a drop down as a correction before they potentially continue this climb. So this week I'm looking for continuation of this sell momentum downside that it started like Friday. Resume to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, they are accumulating. I expect this drop to tag at least this low down here. So if we zoom to 1-hour time frame on New Zealand dollar, on the 1-hour time frame, I expect that this accumulation, you can continue for a while though, will drop, and it's dropping to this low, to at least this low. So I want to look out for this sell opportunity on New Zealand dollar this week. On dollar Swiss for this week, dollar Swiss has been accumulating close to this low, and I think this accumulation is for a bounce upside. I think they are going to give us something like this, a flat, before they will continue the drop if they are going to continue. So I'm looking out for some buy momentum for now on dollar Swiss. If we zoom to 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, there is a chance that this is making a big running flat here, and that this correction accumulation will retest this low before that climb will start, or this climb will just started will correct here and give us more of its upside before they resume the drop downside. So we want to watch out for this climb this week on dollar Swiss. Buy momentum is what I expect. Resume to 1-hour time frame also. I expect this to make a small flat here and then continue this upside. On dollar yen for this week, dollar yen at present on the daily time frame, I still think this is giving us a form of a flat. Right now the structure is really messy. I think they will climb up a bit to complete this flat and then drop to retest this low. So I still think they are coming to retest the low before we see a climb upside. They are giving us this flat for a retest of this low, so we want to watch out for that on dollar yen. If we zoom to 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, this accumulation they did here should drop. They are still accumulating here, should drop or should tag this low and come back upside to make this the A and this the B and then this the C to complete this flat, running flat, and then drop downside. So we want to watch out for that this week on dollar yen. If we zoom to 1-hour time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, on dollar CAD for this week, similar to dollar Swiss, they gave a flat structure here, gave a low, and I think they are coming back upside to at least give us something of this nature for a running flat before we see if they will retest low once again, or this can be the climb, the start of a climb upside, a bigger climb before they will drop back down. So we want to watch out for that on dollar CAD. If we zoom to 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, after giving this flat, they gave a drop and they have started coming back upside. So this week I'll watch them correct and continue this up climb on dollar CAD. If we zoom to 1-hour time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, they have already given some form of accumulation here, and so I think they should spike upside and correct back down to continue the climb. This is what I expect from dollar CAD this week. Buy upside. On gold for this week, gold at present, I'm expecting that gold is about to give us this move here. At present, they've broken to the trend line, and what that means is that they are correcting here, and I want to believe they are making a flat to continue this climb upside. So I want to watch out for this potential flat that gold has started creating for us. We zoom to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, after this drop, they are giving a flat here, so I expect them to drop once more before they will start climbing back upside for B wave. So I want to watch out for this, a drop, a retest of this low on gold, and then a push back upside towards the stop before they will drop to complete the C and continue upside. So I want to watch out for that on gold this week. On the 1-hour time frame, I expect this to give a 1-hour correction here and drop, retest this low, and then pull back upside. So I want to on silver for this week, silver is giving a structure that is similar to that of gold. They are not climb. I think they are correcting here for another drop before they climb, continue this push upside, as I think they are making a flat of their own here for this drop. If we zoom to 4-hour time frame on silver, on the 4-hour time frame, silver is giving what looks like a flat here. So I expect this to drop back down and then pull back upside. This is what I expect from silver this week. Also, if we zoom to 1-hour time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, silver, this is similar like accumulation for an up climb to retest this top before it will drop back down and then give us a buy for B wave. So I want to watch out for this on silver this week. So that is it for what. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.